Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to resize in Blockbench. Resizing is essential for adjusting proportions and fixing scale issues. First, select the cube, mesh, or group you want to resize. Make sure the correct object is highlighted in the outliner. Next, select the Resize tool from the toolbar. Click and drag on any axis to resize the model. Resizing only affects the selected object and won't change the entire project unless the objects are grouped like this. If you want to resize a specific side, hold Alt on your keyboard while resizing. This only works when editing a mesh. When editing a cube, this behavior is reversed. Holding Alt will resize both sides at the same time. And that's how to resize in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.